everyone, it's Rochelle from Everything Allure, and today I'm doing an unboxing of 2 cute nail supplies, so stay tuned. If you're on social media a lot, then you've probably seen advertisements for 2 cute nail supplies. They have a sale going on right now. Buy 10 acrylics, get 10 free. I'm not gonna lie to you, I was side-eyeing this deal for the longest time because I was like, buy 10 acrylics, get 10 free. That's just way too good to be true, right? And I was just so scared. I'm like, I haven't heard much about this company. Don't know too many people that use it, but I am newer to nails and I'm trying to get my supplies up. So I said, let's just go for it. What's the worst that can happen? This is the 16-ounce monomer. I was checking the back to make sure it is EMA only because we do not do MMA over this way. No, ma'am. And I'm super excited to show you guys in part 2 how these colors swatch. They are gorgeous. As I'm opening them, I'm just like, I'm gonna create this set and this set and these press-ons and these press-ons. I am so excited to use these colors. Just the formula of the powder alone is gorgeous. It applies like butter. That is literally what they say, and I thought they were just saying it, but it's true. They even threw in 2 free ones. Look how cute. Watch part 2 for the swatches.